Today I want to compare two popular XC tires in two versions, the SCHWALBE Racing Ray in two compounds. Currently at front is a Racing Ray in the harder, stiffer and lighter compound, and on the rear wheel a Racing Ray in the softer compound. Strange combination, don't you think? Mid-Corona I bought two SCHWALBE Racing Ray Addix tires in 2.35 inches with a red stripe, which means racing mixture. This decision was driven by curiosity, as I typically buy cheaper tires. These were light and fast rolling tires and cost about 55 to 60 euros each on Amazon. About a year later I had several punctures and slits in the rear tire tube and decided to get rid of said rear tire, which was disappointing because it was expensive. I also kept the tire pressure always under 2.5 bars, always, because they felt really thin. As I walked into a bike shop, they only had the softer blue striped, cheaper version of this Racing Ray thread, and so I bought it quickly for 25 euros or so, because I was desperate for a nice ride. So this is how this combination came about. Better would be to have the harder tire at the rear and the softer up front. But those stiff Racing Ray Addix with my replacement wheel set combination are in a pain in the back to get on and off the rims. You know, the hairdryer metal tire levers and WD-40 ones. The softer ones, piece of cake. And I don't race mountain bike. For me, it's meditation with cardio effect and fun. And to be honest, I could not really feel the weight difference of 200 grams each tire, which again is showing that technical data on paper or on the scale does not really translate into the real world, or the margins cannot be felt by an average person like me. And when I remember correctly, the weight difference between my older worn-out Smart SAME tire of the same manufacturer and the new Racing Rays were much less than that. What you buy is your decision, but for me the price difference was not worth the, in my opinion, rather small advantages which couldn't be played out where I ride on gravel fire roads. Thank you very much, please feel free to like and subscribe, and see you next time.